Right, so to do the puddle lights on the door, I'm doing the driver's side first. What you need to do, there's a T20 here, and then there's 3 down there. I'm not sure you can see it, but there's little grooves. And then there's one here, the second one here, and the third one down here. So it's 4 in total, T20. So next what you want to do is get a pry tool or pry bar, and then you just open this up. So after you've got this opened, what you want to do is take these connectors off, one there and then one there. And then behind this little handle, you've got 2 T30 sockets that you need to take out. So after you've done that, what you want to do is now take off the door card. Best place to start off with is down here. Put a pry tool here and start popping off the little clips, and then it will just come off at the top like that. And then once you've got it off, one thing to note is you need to pull it hard after you got all your clips off. Pull this card really hard because it's quite tight sometimes, and then you can start unclipping the little clips. But I'm going to leave this one. I'm just going to go straight ahead and unclip this one. So to do that, you just push down here, there, and this module comes straight out like this. And then what you want to do is get this white piece out, the adapter where the connectors are going to go in, the pins. But before you can do that, you need to cut this little zip tie off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So after you got the zip tie off, what you want to do, chuck that somewhere, come back here, you want to get this little module out. To do that, there's a little tab here that I need to push in while you're doing it. There's nothing on the other side, but on my passenger side, I did have one there as well. So just like kind of put something in and do it, pull it at the same time. Done that, you'll see that on this side, I'm not sure if the camera's picking up, say 17. What we want to do is next to where 18 and 19, the red wire goes into 18 and the brown wire goes into 19, and I'll show you what that looks like. Right, so the wires is now in. So as I said, this is 17 right at the end. 17, red wire goes into 18, brown wire goes to 19. What I'm going to do is put the indicator on, just to test fit it. So that's what it looks like. Get the adapter. Get the adapter here, and it only goes in one way, so you can see there's a little hole there, and so this bit goes into one side, and it just pops in like that. So what I'm going to do before I put everything together, I'm going to code it in, and then I'm going to test it to see if it's working before I put everything together. So what I'm going to do before I test it, I forgot to put this back on, and then it goes back in like that, so I'm going to do that now. So it can only go in one way, so I think it's this way. So that is all connected up again. So what I'm going to do is code it up really quickly and then give it a test. So after you've coded it up, as you can see, it's lighting up, and you can see the projector. And if I just put my hand towards it, because it's daylight, you can't see it properly, but you can see GTI here. So what I need to do now is do the reverse and put everything back on, take that off, and use a pry bar, take that off, and then slot that in, and that's it really. So doors back on, and then that's what it looks like. Obviously in the morning you can't see it, but till night time.